What's up, guys? Welcome back to the High PSI Performance YouTube channel. Today we've got another header job in store. John's super excited about it, as you can tell. Super excited. Pretty cool looking car. This looks to be 06, maybe 07, 08. And of course John's gonna run the wrench while I'm trying to talk. Nothing new there. But yeah, pretty clean little car. Got the little cop push bumper on it. 5.7. We're gonna be putting these JBA long tubes on it and mid pipes. So hopefully when we get this car up in the air, we don't get the surprise like we normally get of the whole exhaust system being welded together in one piece, because they went to some crappy exhaust shop to get the mid muffler deleted. But we shall see. Stay tuned for some more coverage of this install. Got the mid pipes out, and we've already got one side of the stock manifolds out. Let me see if I can brighten this up for you real quick. There we go, one side of the manifold out, and got the new header stuffed up in there. About to get the gasket up in there and start bolting this one up. And then also almost got this side header out, so pretty soon we'll have the new ones up in there. And get this thing wrapped up. So we got the headers all installed here. Looking good. You know, the JBAs aren't too bad. Like I said, around here we prefer the Cooks a little bit more, but these JBAs don't look too bad. Got the clamps turned up out of the way so that way they don't catch nothing. Got the catted mid pipes, the O2s, and then this is connected to an SLP back half, so this thing ought to sound pretty rowdy. First fire up with the new headers. Alright, here we go, guys. We're going to make our baseline pulls on this car that we just put headers on. Got it all fired up. guys, so that's gonna wrap up the 2009 Black Charger. Take a look here at the dyno graph and show you the progression from where we started to where we ended up, and then you know, the final pull, and then on to the next one. Alright guys, as you can see, we started at around 275, and then as we progressed, you see we ended up at 347 horsepower. So this is the final graph here. 345 horsepower, 380 foot-pounds of torque. So doing good for a 5.7 with some light bolt-ons, and I'm sure he'll be happy with it.